Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious peppered chicken feet. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comment for me, and please help me to share this video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always stopping by to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. So yeah, the things I'll be using to prepare this delicious peppered chicken feet. I have here my washed and cleaned chicken feet. So guys, because this chicken feet has been in the fridge for like almost going to 3 months now, that's why the color is looking like this. I have my onions here, and here is my pepper mix. So for this pepper mix, I have ginger and garlic, onions, chili pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and satashi. So this is what makes up my pepper mix. We are going to start now to cook our chicken feet. In a clean pot, go in with your already washed and cleaned chicken feet. Add in your chopped onions. Add your fresh pepper now. Go in with your seasoning cube. I'm using just 2 cubes to cook the chicken. Add some curry and thyme. I'm going to add in water, just enough to cook this chicken. I don't need the stock. Then I'm going to mix this very well to combine everything together. Then I will cover the pot now and allow this to cook. And guys, our chicken feet is cooked now. Look how yummy this chicken feet is already looking like. So now I'm going to take this down now, and I will proceed to making my sauce for the peppered chicken feet. If you have watched me up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please help me to like this video if you have not liked this video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please help me to subscribe, okay, and help me to share the video. So guys, in a clean pan, I'll be going in with my oil. I'm using olive oil here. You can use your vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add in my chopped onions. I will add in my oregano now. I'm going in with the dried oregano. This is just to spice up the oil. I'm going to stir this now. Then I will add in my pepper mix. I have ginger and garlic in this pepper mix. I'm going to stir and allow the onions and the pepper mix to fry at once. So guys, I fried this pepper mix for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, you still want your pepper looking vibrant. I will add in my seasoning cube. I'm using just 2 cubes. I'm going to mix this now. Then I will add in my cooked chicken feet. I'm going to mix everything to combine so that the pepper mix and the chicken can mix with each other very well. I'm just going to mix and mix until everything is properly mixed. Okay. Then I will allow it to cook for just 2 minutes. And guys, our delicious peppered chicken feet is ready. Will you be trying this recipe? Do you eat chicken feet? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, help me to share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you there, bust my brain.